New package from Neo Forged. Let's open up the contents and show you what's inside. Alright. New seats from Neo Forged. Oh. These seats are sick. They got everything I want. They got the blue hex stitching, kind of like the Lamborghini Huracan. Thank you, Neo Forged. Got the blue GTR symbol, and Godzilla, of course, peeking out to the top. And then, of course, when you look around the back, all full carbon shell. Sick. This is gonna look so much better. And just look how sick it's gonna match that steering wheel. I mean, come on, that blue is like spot on. But first we gotta get out the old stock seats from the 2010 GTR. If anybody's interested, you just DM me and we can figure out some great price for you to have some nice GTR. No rips, it's all in great condition. Just, I wanted to upgrade the style to match the rest of my theme. Electronics still work, heating of the seats still work, reclinability still works, airbags are still in them, not deployed at all. So yeah, if you're interested, just DM me. First we're gonna undo these caps to get access to the bolts for the chair. There's our bolts. Hopefully not security ones. They look like just normal bolts. I had the security ones from the FRS. Seat number one out. Alright, now that we got the wires pulled out, now it's time to do a little vacuuming before we throw the new seat in. Alright, next on the list is to get the seatbelt buckle off. So you gotta unplug this bolt, this wire that runs down underneath the seat, all the way to here. This is gonna be plugged back in to show that the seatbelt is working. So let's plug this piece back in. So let's get that off. Alright, and now that you have the passenger side out and the floor vacuumed, you have a bunch of wires here, and this one specifically is your passenger weight occupancy sensor. And if you're gonna need one of these, otherwise that seat belt light and airbag light will be on the whole time as the sensor is not fulfilled. So if you get one of these little bypass links, I'll put a link down in the description, but it's by Airbag 360. They have one specifically for the Nissan GTR R35. And all you gotta do is take that little sensor, relay, and then plug it into where the old weight sensor used to be in this socket here. And then on top of that relay, you're gonna also need a resistors, a pack of them, because you're gonna need 2 of them to help block the SRS airbag deploy system, since there's no more airbag in the seats. So that's gonna go in this yellow airbag clip. Just put it in those little 2 spots. And then you're gonna use electrical tape to make sure it secures and stays in place. All right, you guys ready for the final product? Baits installed, bolted down. Here we are. Look at that. Nice even flow. I got the hex pattern blue stitching on the ground, heading into the chair, all the way up. Neo forged blue GTR symbol, Godzilla head on top, matching with my blue steering wheel and the forged carbon. And eventually I think I want to do doors in blue hex stitching. Or carbon. What do you guys think?
Summer